Hi, I'm Don from Gtechniq, and today Richard has asked us to come down and do a decontamination wash on his Porsche Turbo S. You can't miss the huge wheels and ceramic brakes on this Turbo S. So I start with some citrus all-purpose cleaner. Now normally on most traditional brakes you'd use the iron and four-layer remover, but due to the carbon ceramics on this vehicle, citrus all-purpose cleaner does the job just fine. Then the 911 gets soapy thanks to our W4 citrus foam. Unlike traditional snow foams that have sketchy chemicals, this foam is a pH neutral formula that removes hard to shift grime without damaging the coatings. After rinsing off the citrus foam, it's on to the G-Wash. This is a pH neutral shampoo that quickly and effectively breaks down dirt particles, making them a lot easier to shift from the paintwork. Now of course you've got to use a Gtechniq wash mitt and 3 buckets with dirt traps just for extra safety to make sure you're not putting in any swirls whilst washing and keeping the Turbo S looking great. Then it's on with the final rinse and an application of our C2 ceramic sealant. This product helps to repel dirt and makes ongoing cleaning and maintenance of the vehicle an absolute breeze, keeping Richard's car cleaner for longer. As a finishing touch, we apply some T1 durable tyre gel. This is a durable tyre gel that'll keep the 911 tyres looking great for its next blast around Wales.